personals. For Scott A, we've got a 2021 Impeccable Football, as well as a 2020-21 Panini 1-in-1. All right, good luck, Scott. Thanks as always. Do appreciate you. And good luck. We're going to start with the 1-in-1 this time. Start with the 1-in-1 and go to the Impeccable. Empty. All right, up first, rookie for the Spurs out of 99, Reggie Perry. 23 of 99. And second card up here for you, Scott. See some blue. A rookie for the Knicks out of 99 RPA, Emmanuel Quickly. Emmanuel Quickly RPA. 53 of 99. Not from any specific game or event. All right, that'll do it for the 1-in-1 there for you, Scott. Now we're going to get into the Impeccable. Good luck. No bar in this one. All right. Here we go. Up first, out of 75, Jarvis Landry for the Browns. Jarvis Landry. 9 out of 35 for the Steelers, Juju Smith-Schuster on that beat. 9 of 35. 30 out of 50 for the Chargers, Austin Eckler. Austin Eckler. We've got rookie for the Colts out of 99, Kwity Paye. Kwity Paye, rookie auto. And we've got, what do we have here? Wow, look at that. 11 out of 25, Jason Taylor. Master Strokes. That's a beautiful card. Very nice. 11 out of 25 on card auto, and that is inscribed 99. Very nice. I will mag this one for you. Congrats on that. We've got a redemption here next. Good luck, Scott. We've got Elegance rookie helmet and nameplate autos. Card number 127, Big Palm. Josh Palmer. Nice one there. Chargers. What do we have here? Dan the Man. 21 out of 15. Let's say victory. Dolphins 37, Rams 31. Anaheim, California. 12/14/86. On card, Dan Marino auto to 15. Sick hit there as well for you, Scott. I will mag this one. Very slight lift on that bottom left corner. You can see it a little bit. But nice Marino there. And last one here for you. For the Bucks, oh my gosh, look at that patch. 7 of 15, Kyle Trask. Wow. That is one of the sickest patches that I have seen. Out of the Bucks logo, that is absolutely nasty. There you go, on card as well. Wow. That's a nasty patch. Look at that thing. like staring into your soul. Very nice. Congrats on that, Scott. We'll get this in a slider box for you. It really does, Nathan, doesn't it? Congrats again. Thanks so much, Scott. And we will get this right out to you.